Shake it down. Don't touch it. It's gonna be hot. Try it. Go. Keep going. You got that. Good job. Do you think you can hold this and record Bubba and Dad?
Yes.
Just
Okay.
don't get in our faces and stand right there. Okay?
Yeah. I want you to stand back a little bit, okay?
Okay.
And look at the camera. Make sure you got both of us, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mason, hold on.
I can't see in the sun, so I'm like in the shade.
No. You guys stand over here, okay? Because we're going to back out of the garage a little bit.
Okay.
Quickly, all right?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, lift. Set. Lift. There we go.
Whoa.
Got it? Careful.
Gentlemen, I present the mostly clean Thor. This thing's so clean, shiny. Look at the back now. It's all tan. You have to take the hood completely off to clean the engine though. Is there anything wrong yet?
No, not yet.
Like we just cleaned it. How could there be anything wrong?
Good job, buddy.
So yeah, thanks to you
And me.
this was possible.